This is a 2012 GMC Yukon. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a 3-zone climate control system so that each front seat as well as rear seat passengers can set temperature settings to their own comfort level, speed-sensitive volume controls, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: XM satellite radio, dual power seats, cruise control, rear audio controls, front side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, a split folding rear seat, steering wheel mounted controls, and 9 intelligently positioned speakers, producing great sound quality throughout the cabin. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.